In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to single individual subscribers in Mailerlite. So for this, we will have an email autoresponder for this. So what you can do is we can head over to mailerlite.com and click on this sign up free in order to create an account. With this, you will get 14-day trial of their premium features. If you already have an account, proceed to click onto this login option right there. Since I already have one, let's proceed to log in. Now, here is my actual dashboard. So what we can do is we can just head over here to this side door, scroll down, and in here you can see some options. For this case, let's choose in here subscribers. And for this part, let's head over and input right here a new subscriber list that we wish to utilize. For this, click on groups. Into this part, click on this create group and enter in here the group name. I'll input right here single subscriber. Once you have named this, click on create and then that will be added right here already. So with this, you can click on this group and view it and you can add some people right here. For example, you can add a condition or you can also add in here a particular person that you want to add to group. Just click on this add to group option in order to add a person. Now, onto our campaigns, we can just dedicate an email for them. I have in here this newsletter. Click on this done editing. Then this will actually remove or load for a while. Into this part, just head over and choose in here the recipients. Click on edit and then choose in here the groups that we wish to use, which is the actual single subscriber. Let's choose single subscriber and click on save right here in order to send them. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.